Julie update. And last night sa birthday celebration ni Julie, kasama niya si Raver at ang family and friends niya. Ay masaya si Julie sa kanyang birthday. Birthday. Yun o. Birthday ni Julie. May iba ang katong.
Thanks so much to your friends and to your family. Thank you for celebrating this special day with her. Whenever you're ready. Alright.
Birthday ni Julie. Happy birthday. Nakapasaw si Julie. The Limitless Star birthday. Siyempre, kasama rin si Raver. Yan o. May fish pa nga.
More wishes for you. More wishes to make.
Dami pa nga. Dami bisita.
More wishes for you. More wishes to make.
May iba-ibang angulo.
More wishes for you.
Siyempre, masaya si Raver para kay Julie. Birthday girl. Cheers. Siyempre, nag-duet din ang Julie Burr. Yun o. Happy birthday kay Julie. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para ma-update po ang future reaction vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.